Hello, my name is Giannakopoulou. I'm an architect, urban designer based in Athens, and I have worked for many years and as a consultant to the Athens municipality. Polis was a pilot program initiated by the Athens municipality in 2016, at a time where Athens was going through quite a big transformation due to the economic crisis. So Polis introduced two programs. One was interventions in the city, which was small money grants given to neighborhoods to do small-scale interventions. And the second one was shops that were closed in the center would be activated for new and young entrepreneurship. It was based on the idea of urban acupuncture. Urban acupuncture is based on doing small interventions, small needle points to the city that have large impact. The innovation was that hadn't happened before in such a scale, was that a pilot program was adopted by the municipality that would trust citizens to perform small-scale interventions. The second part was that the actual city had to not only change its procedures internally, but adapt in speeding up the process in order to do a pilot program. It started actually mapping out all the possible actors, but in all different backgrounds. So each neighborhood we mapped from small organizations to larger stakeholders that were part of either small and large businesses there. What we did is we actually started creating small events in these neighborhoods in order to build the information and build the trust, so people would start applying. Anybody could apply that wanted to do something to their city. First of all, learn from small initiatives and listen, build capacity, allow them to fail, and stop being comfortable. I think more testing, less comfort.